There are products that are made and manufactured in Union County each day that are shipped out to consumers all over the world. And there are also products that are manufactured in Union County each day that are only made in Union County. There's a component on the space shuttle that is manufactured in Union County. If you stay in a high-end Marriott hotel chain, those towels, those sheets, and those nice warm robes that you wear are manufactured right here in Union County. Timken has been part of the Union community, Union County, for many, many years. But one of the things that we're very appreciative to them for is Timken Park. It started out, I think, as an idea, and it continued to grow. This park today hosts ball tournaments. Also, the Miracle League has their activities there. So it is continuing to be a staple in the Union community. There's power in regionalism. I think the collaborations, the connectivity, and the accessibility has been wonderful. And I cannot remember when the Upstate Alliance was not directly involved with the projects that we have worked. If they were not sitting at the table with us, they were behind the scenes helping us work that project, helping us put our best foot forward, and helping us win the project.